I'm a stay-at-home dad who designs custom Shopify stores for a living, and here's what I'm doing today. If you saw my last video, I got some great feedback on the homepage that I designed for my client. They love the style that I went with, so that's my green light to jump to the next phase of this project, which is collection pages. A lot of people disregard designing their collection pages, and I think that's a mistake. Go check your analytics. You might be surprised to find that many people are going to your collection pages, and it's another opportunity to sell your company with things that build trust and answer questions that customers might have. Also, I'll mention that on my main brand that I run right now, I have a handful of collection pages that are actually ranking top 10 on Google, so don't waste that opportunity. So the way I want to design this page is by creating a small section on top that shows a graphic and highlights some of the features of the collection, and then the product list underneath that with some kind of trust feature like reviews under that. After fiddling with the top section a bit and getting a little frustrated that I can't quite figure out how I want to arrange it, I put it aside and work on the display of the products. I like to keep this pretty simple: product, title, and price, and that's about it. Once I've got that sorted and my brain is a bit more warmed up, I go back to this top section to see what I can come up with. My first idea is to take this girl's head and make it kind of float in the space there to the left with the text on the right, and yeah, it definitely looked better in my head. Yeah, that was a total fail. So then I thought maybe I can adjust the layout and have a really thin banner that goes across the top with the text underneath that. So I start working on that in Photoshop, and it took way longer than it should have. I even tried it a few different ways, but yeah, even though that was better than my first idea, I don't think it was really what I was going for. So I think about it for a bit and come up with this little idea where I create this mini hero. So I drag a row in and make it 2 columns. I make the background this image of the girl with the tattoos on the right and the collection name and features listed out on the left. I adjust the colors a bit. I kind of like this white on this dark background for this spot right here, and also the padding and margins to thin this box out a little bit more. And underneath all that, I take my review section that I built for the home page and I made it a different color for this page. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna sleep on this one because I'm not sure I'm satisfied yet, but let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you watching, and if you'd like me to build you a custom Shopify store like this, send me a message.